Hi friends, this is the spelling test for Unit 22. Make sure you have your name on your paper. Let's begin. Number 1, out. We will not go out for recess today. Out. Number 2, cow. The brown cow stood in the field eating grass. Cow. Number 3, loud. Thunder is very loud. Loud. Number 4, hour. Our class is amazing. Hour. Number 5, down. We went down the ramp. Down. Number 6, shout. If you shout, I will ignore you. Shout. Number 7, town. The town where our school is located is Lee Summit. Town. Number 8, round. A circle is a round shape. Round. Number 9, frown. Turn that frown upside down into a smile. Frown. Number 10, now. Now would be a good opportunity for you to check and make sure your words are all spelled correctly. Now. Okay, friends, that is all of the spelling words. Now I'm going to read to you the 3 dictation sentences. Sentence number 1. It is loud when you shout out. Number 2, our town is big and fun. Number 3, the cow went down to our pond. That completes spelling test, Unit 22. Make sure your name is on your paper. Rewind, replay, whatever you need to do to get all of the words in the dictation sentences. I hope you did well.